Hi, what's going on, guys? We have here Mazda 3. I don't know what year is this. It said here, but customers state hear a rattling noise when he driving and shifting the gear. So we're gonna try it. Oh, that's too bad. Hear that? It's vibrating too much. I'm gonna go for test drive a little bit, then we'll see what's the problem inside. Yeah, it's really bad. So I'm not gonna go anymore. I'm a little bit scared to drive this car. I think some of the engine support is weak. That's why it's happening like this. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna update you later, guys. So this is the reason why this car is rattling noise. Just very easy to replace. Engine mount. Just 4 bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then took out the coolant reservoir. Easy. Take up the support the engine with the jack stand and remove the 4 bolts here. 4 bolts, 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Just put it like this. Then put the 2 nut. The 2 bolt. So sometimes you need to, now it's too much. Sometimes you need to align the holder by pushing the engine or pull out. Then tight. Put back this one. Push it down. Another one here. Lower down the then we're gonna start the car. Still rattling or not? Yeah, no more. No more rattling. Even if I ship. No more. Very easy to fix, guys. And thank you for watching. See you on the next one.